This is the Walensee bulb planter. This thing is all metal. It weighs 3 pounds and 13 ounces. It is about 33 inches long. I'm 6'2". See right here? It's a nice welded design. Everything's welded on here. The handles are nice and grippy. This thing looks like it's built for the long haul. When you get it, it arrives in 2 pieces, and you just have to put this piece onto this piece with these 2 screws, and we'll demonstrate it. This opening is about 2 inches long, and on this end, it's about 2 1/4 inches long. It comes with these 2 rings, depth rings on here. It's got a 2-inch ring, and it has a 4-inch ring, which they both just slide on here. And this length right here is 6 inches. Nice big foot pegs on here with dimples on them, so good for traction. So I was thinking this thing would actually be great for tomato plants too, not just bulbs, all kinds of stuff. But I've got the 4-inch ring on here. For the 4-inch depth, you just stick it over where you want to put it, stomp it down, pull it out, and it leaves a nice hole in there. There's your plug. If you want, just knock it out. You're done. Let's say we want to put a 2-inch hole in the ground. Just put the 2-inch ring on there, stomp it in the ground, pull it out, 2-inch hole. Flip it over, knock it through. You're good to go. Pull these rings off of here, and you can actually go as deep as 6 inches. So you can see the 3 depths of the holes that I had in there. There's the 6-inch right there, there's the 4-inch, and there's the 2-inch. You can easily plant bulbs, flowers, tomato plants, take soil samples, all kinds of stuff you can do with this. Pretty awesome. Walensee bulb planter.